Hi, I'm Missy Huff with Paints Huff Properties. Today, we're preparing to list a condominium in the Kelkari community on the side of Squak Mountain. Squak Mountain is in Issaquah, in between Tiger Mountain and Cougar Mountain, considered the Issaquah Alps. Come on in and take a look. Look at this fabulous condo. Obviously a corner unit, top floor, filled with light, views of Tiger Mountain and Poo Poo Pointe, 2 bedrooms plus a den, 2 bathrooms, just under 1,500 square feet, all on one level with elevator access. So this is Tiger Mountain, and Poo Poo Pointe is right there. It's a little knoll off of Tiger Mountain. You can see where it's clear. That's where the paragliders jump off and they launch themselves into this valley. It's called Squak Valley, and you can watch it all from this deck. So if you're looking for a home where you can watch paragliders or any home in the Puget Sound, give us a call.